FRESCA Air Conditioning Parts and Services was founded with a mission to deliver exceptional services, brand new units, and top-notch parts to ensure customer satisfaction. At FRESCA Air Conditioning Parts and Services, we are dedicated to service excellence and operational competitiveness. We prioritize the health and safety of our employees and customers at FRESCA, upholding the highest ethical standards and acting with integrity within our team. Mutual respect is the cornerstone of our interactions, fostering a positive and collaborative work environment. Listening to our customers and promptly addressing their needs is our commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. Our commitment is centered around three core pillars: vision, mission, and values. Vision. Looking into the future, we aspire to be the leading air conditioning service company, providing solutions that lead to the entire satisfaction of our customers. Our vision extends beyond services. We aim to be your go-to source for all the parts needed in air conditioning and refrigeration systems. Mission. At FRESCA, our mission is clear: to value every customer through quality service in residential, commercial, and public institutions. We take pride in clearly understanding our customers' needs, ensuring they have the information and recommendations needed to make informed decisions. Values. Our values define who we are and how we operate. Professionalism. Every customer is our best customer. We are always courteous and understanding. Integrity. We are committed to delivering on our promises. Trustworthy. We believe in doing the right thing first. Fairness. We vow never to take advantage of our customers' lack of knowledge or vulnerability. Honesty. At FRESCA, we value being straightforward and open with people. Teamwork. We always look for ways to help our team members, whether they are learning or just lifting a load. At FRESCA Air Conditioning Parts and Services, it's not just about the business, it's about building relationships, delivering excellence, and creating a lasting impact. Thank you for choosing FRESCA, where your comfort is our top priority.